Are you tired of struggling to make money online? Do you feel like you're wasting your time and effort on affiliate products that just don't convert? If so, you're not alone. Many aspiring online entrepreneurs face the same challenges when it comes to choosing profitable affiliate products. But fear not. In this article, we will reveal 7 foolproof steps that will help you unlock your online earning potential. By following these steps, you'll be able to select high-converting affiliate products that align with your niche and audience, ultimately leading to increased commissions and success. Step 1. Identify your target audience. The first step in choosing profitable affiliate products is understanding who your target audience is. Take some time to research their demographics, interests, needs, and pain points. By gaining a deep understanding of your audience's desires and struggles, you can find affiliate products that offer solutions or fulfill their desires. Step 2. Research popular niches. Once you know who your target audience is, it's time to research popular niches within that market. Look for niches with a high demand for information or products but relatively low competition from other affiliates. This will give you a better chance of standing out and making sales. Step 3. Analyze product relevance. Now that you have identified popular niches within your target market, it's time to analyze the relevance of different affiliate products. Ask yourself if the product aligns with the needs and desires of your audience. Will they find value in it? Is it something they are likely to purchase? Step 4. Evaluate commission structure. While choosing profitable affiliate products isn't solely about commission rates, it's still an important factor to consider. Look for programs that offer competitive commission rates without sacrificing product quality or relevance. Remember that higher-priced items often result in larger commissions per sale. Step 5. Check conversion rates. Conversion rates can make or break your affiliate marketing efforts. Before promoting a product, check the conversion rates of other affiliates who have already promoted it. Look for products with a proven track record of converting visitors into paying customers. This will increase your chances of success. Step 6. Read product reviews. Before committing to promoting an affiliate product, take the time to read reviews from both customers and other affiliates. This will give you valuable insights into the product's quality, customer satisfaction levels, and potential limitations or drawbacks. Choose products that have positive feedback and satisfied customers. Step 7. Test and track. Once you've selected a few potential affiliate products based on the previous steps, it's time to test them out. Create compelling content around each product and track your results using analytics tools. Monitor which products are generating the most clicks, conversions, and commissions. This data will help you optimize your promotional strategies for maximum profitability. Conclusion. Choosing profitable affiliate products is not an easy task, but by following these 7 foolproof steps, you can unlock your online earning potential. By understanding your target audience, researching popular niches, analyzing product relevance, evaluating commission structures, checking conversion rates, reading reviews, and testing different products while tracking their performance, you'll be well on your way to finding high-converting affiliate offers that resonate with your audience. Remember that success in affiliate marketing takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Stay persistent in refining your strategies based on data-driven insights and keep experimenting until you find what works best for you. So go ahead. Implement these steps today and start unlocking the true earning potential of affiliate marketing.